face.
Look at this.
The face on him.
You in the sprinkler?
Oh no, look at him.
Wait, you should see him. I never saw such a face.
Oh
Watch,
my
watch.
God.
Look,
He's
look,
going
watch.
like this. The
Watch.
water's going all over him. And he thinks he's in heaven.
Get in there with him, Joe.
You got to put some more water in it for him, honey. Please. Thank you.
Matthew, watch out.
No, more. Put more in.
Yeah, fill it up.
Fill it up.
Watch,
Oh.
Wade. Watch his face. Look.
Matthew,
It's okay, Joe. Let him splash while you're putting it in.
I'm getting wet. I don't want to get any more wet.
Put it down into the water so it doesn't splash. Put the nozzle right down, way down.
There
There.
you go. Get him, Mamu. Get it.
Watch his face now. Watch.
That's a little cold.
Splash, splash, splash.
The other one was a bit warmer.
He was just splashing for all he was worth, and the faces he was making.
Roll the hose down.
He
Here it
was
comes.
so-
In a bale.
Look, look.
His
He's
face.
splashing now?
Yeah.
Squinting.
Good boy, buddy.
Thank you, Jordan, for helping.
He goes,
Joe, do you need sun?